Right, here we are. This is what happens when your little permanent tent thingy doesn't have gas or anything. We come to the van and we just make chow here. So awesome. We are in the bush at Tamboti. Stunning over here, we love it. Very rustic. Taking a walk out to the road. There's the road to the right. That way, and of course, there's all rusty. I think our motorcycles here on that side there. Awesome. Dennis is back. Where's breakfast? It's so cute. Finished. It's finished, Dennis. It's finished. There's the one. Two little Janets. There's the one. And there's the other one sitting over there. Oh, that is so cute. Look at that. Hey? They're the cutest little things. There's one there.
They want photos.
This one here. No, we can't feed you. We go hunt mice. Off you go. Go hunt your mice. I love nature. So beautiful. Surprises you when you least expect it. Look at the cute little face. Oh, mommy. Look at that. Hey, what's your name? And we shall call you Janet. And that one, maybe it's a male and a female.
Or sisters.
Or sisters. Or brothers. Oh, they're so cute. Thought you guys might enjoy this. I think they got a mouse there. They're eating something. How beautiful they are. They are so pretty.
Look at those eyes.
Mr. Badger is here. Shaking the dust. Look at that. He lifts it and then he's going to tip it. I can smell it. That thing is frisk. And look at those forearms. Check. See the teeth on that thing. These things will grab you by the nuts and rip your nuts off. There, off it goes. The next one. Hey, dude, put that back. Good one. And here we have Adam. So hello Adam.
Hi, John, how are you?
Good. He's taking
And the elephant.
some elephants on the side of the road, considering we are in a game vehicle. Oh, with the babies.